This bloody dog. So demanding. Is the adopted dog? Or she, Minda. Very loving. I think she's got a bit of age about her. Like. Maybe he's 10 or 12 year old, but he's a lovely dog. Lovely. Yeah, Minda. Umbrellas on the table. That's to shelter them from the heat. It's so hot. It's a bit overcast today, but very humid. It's just another relaxing day in paradise for me. I thought the work on the extension was going to start today, but the lads have got other work to do, so we'll just have to wait and see when they turn up to do it. There's Bella. She's a sweetheart as well. Lovely dog. Very protective and jealous as well. Yeah, we've got the other one, but I don't know where she is. Oh, here's the wife. Yeah, here's the wife. Just bought some Coke. They like drinking Coke. Lots of Coke. I don't, because it's not good for you, too much Coke.